So it seems like Japan has a real thing with vending machines, like, you know, the crank vending machines, like gumball machines for prizes, kids' prizes. So you get your change here. And I'm just going to go over this really slowly so you can pause at any time and look at the weirdness. Like, what is that, a cheese string? A cheese string keychain. And then over here is like a corn thing that you put on your finger. Like, you couldn't possibly make this up if you wanted to. So I'm just gonna go over slowly here. Like, there's Tom from Tom and Jerry in cube form. Obviously. Hangy Odon. I've noticed they have a real thing with Tom and Jerry here. I don't know why. They were banned in North America for being racist because they had the black maid. Here's a baby that just fell down some stairs, and a baby that spilt stew. Here's a anthropomorphized, that's hard to say, anthropomorphized corn dog. Or I think it's a bun, maybe? Oh, here he is. Here's his cousin, Baguette. And we got some mutant frog swamp men. Here we go, little sandwiches. Slimes. Some video game themed stuff. Sushi, rubber sushi, like that. Or sashimi, I should say. Here's an old man reading and a demon above him. Here's a guy in his briefs with his shirt over his head. Because that's obviously a thing, according to the illustration. Oh, I just saw this movie, Conan. I didn't really watch it because it was in Japanese and I had to go. But I will be re-watching it in dub. So there you go. You didn't ask for it, but I gave it to you. Probably over 150 vending machines here at the Tokyo Narita Airport.